Welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll embark on an exciting journey into the world of programming and coding. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in coding before, we'll guide you step by step on how to get started with the basics. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding the basics. Before we begin writing code, let's understand the fundamental concepts. We'll cover what programming is, the role of programming languages, and how code is executed. It's essential to grasp these concepts to build a strong foundation. Step 2. Choosing the right language. Now that we know the basics, let's choose a programming language to start with. For beginners, we recommend Python because of its simplicity and versatility. Don't worry, you can always explore other languages later. Step 3. Setting up the development environment. Setting up a development environment might sound daunting, but it's easier than you think. We'll walk you through downloading and installing the necessary tools to write and run your code. Step 4. Your first program. Congratulations on making it this far. Now, let's write your first ever program. We'll start with a classic, Hello, World, program. Trust me, it's a big deal. Step 5. Variables and data types. Variables are like containers that store information. We'll explore different data types, such as numbers, strings, and booleans, and learn how to use them effectively. Step 6. Making decisions with conditionals. If you want your program to make decisions, conditionals are the way to go. We'll cover if statements and else statements to make your program smarter. Step 7. Repeating with loops. Host. Repetition is a powerful concept in coding. With loops, you can make your program do the same task multiple times. We'll look at the while and for loops to automate processes. Step 8. Functions and modularization. Functions allow you to break your code into smaller, reusable chunks. We'll learn how to define and use functions to make your code cleaner and easier to manage. Step 9. Troubleshooting and debugging. It's common to encounter errors while coding. But fear not. We'll show you some tips and tricks to troubleshoot and debug your code effectively. Step 10. Exploring further. Congratulations, you're now a basic coder. To continue your coding journey, we'll point you towards helpful resources, advanced topics, and fun coding projects. Well done, everyone. You've taken the first steps into the exciting world of programming and coding. Remember, practice is key. So keep coding, exploring, and challenging yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. Top of form.